Right, so now what we've got to look at is mail merge prompts. Okay, so for example, so now we've already merged this document, as you can see. So we've got the forename, we've got the surname. From September, forename will be in class, and the teacher will be teacher. Yours sincerely. Now, in the book they ask you to open up this activity, but the head of year's name is already filled in. Now, this could well happen in your exam, so they may ask you to replace that name with your name. Now, in mail merge, once you've merged everything, obviously you've got all this highlighted here. If you go to rules, and you can select fill in. Now, be careful of where your cursor is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want this replaced. I don't want this name here. I want to put my name. So I'm going to go to rules, and then I'm going to go to fill in. So it says prompt, and I'm going to prompt it to ask who is the head of year. Okay, so I'm going to get it to ask a question. And then the default text, okay, as you can see, is Miss Sunshine. So I'm going to press OK. Now it says who is the head of year. So you can see there it's Miss Sunshine. I want to replace that with Miss Price. So it's just my name. Press OK, and then it's going to replace it. So now what you will see is on all of these documents, you can see it should have replaced. So if we go to preview results, basically my name as the head of year, Miss Price. Okay, so prompts are very quick, very simple. So you can ask questions, for example, who will sign a letter? So you may have another letter, for example, where it says here, Hod name. Okay, so that I'd want to replace, obviously. Hod name means head of, sorry, Hoi means head of year in England. Okay, so I'm going to select that, go to rules, fill in, who is the Hoi, and then you can say the default text to fill in will be here, Hoi name. So then that prompts somebody to actually fill in their own name. Okay, so the Hoi name needs to be replaced with Miss Price. Okay, now you can see it's replaced with Miss Price. So that's how you do your prompts. Very easy, very straightforward.